Hey, almost What's going on, y'all? You know, yesterday in the news, we had Brother Nature, and he almost got his eye pecked out by a African penguin. Now, this dude can charm anything, I thought. And usually he's doing pigeons and deer. That penguin wasn't happening. It makes me wonder now. Brother Nature, can you charm anything? I got a challenge for you. Let's call it the $100,000 challenge. I'll give you $100,000. 100,000. If you can charm one of three animals. A pterodactyl. I know someone's got one. All right? A spitting cobra. They're all over India. You got no problem finding that. Or a hellhound. And those exist too. Just got nowhere to find them. $100,000 to Brother Nature if you can charm one of those three animals. Because I'm not so sure you can do it. Get that money, Brother Nature. I'm serious. That's the challenge. $100,000 to Brother Nature if he can charm a pterodactyl, a hellhound, or a spitting cobra. Hopefully they won't bite you off. Take the challenge. Get that money.